Hey everyone, my name is Sophie. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, then welcome. Today we were doing a clothing haul. There is a pair of shoes and a few pairs of socks. I don't know, like, it's part of the Boohoo and Disney collab that they came up with some socks, and I thought I'd show you because I want to show you guys what I got. Because if you're new here, I love Disney. If you're old here, you know I love Disney. And I just thought I'd show you guys what I have been buying through quarantine. It is not a whole heap. I've actually been very good. I'm really proud of myself for how good I have been. But I am like this close to making a misguided order, so hopefully I'll show restraint. If not, you guys will see a haul in a matter of weeks. So without further ado, let's just get into it. The first thing that I want to show you guys is a pair of jeans that I'm wearing. You probably can't see them, but this is going to be a try on, so I'll insert everything here. They are from Fashion Nova. I've waited so long for them to be in stock and I finally got them, and they are just too big, like an uncomfortably big, too big. The waistband is too big, but usually I'll just get away with that and I'll just put like a belt on and it'll be fine, but around the crotch area is massive. So I'm gonna either have to find a tailor who can take it in or suck up the big postage to send them back. I'm not sure yet, but I feel like once the world goes back to normal and I know that tailors are open, I'll find out if a tailor can fix them, because the crotch, it's just too baggy. It's too baggy. Like I said, I can get away with the waistband. I'll just put a belt on, it's fine. But the crotch area is just too loose and it looks weird. I can't like move the jeans higher or lower without them looking weird. So that is that. We'll just go straight into the accessory bits now, because I've done what I'm wearing. These are the socks that were in the Mickey collab. We didn't get every pair, we only got these ones. So we got the white set and we got the blue set, and I thought they would be both white, both blue, but it came with grey. So we now have more grey than the colours we actually wanted, which is a little bit annoying. It was only one size, and they were from the men's section, so hopefully they fit my little feet, but, well, not little feet, but smaller than men's feet. But yeah, really excited to use those. The trip to Disney this year is more than likely cancelled, just with everything going on. We'll just wear them until we actually get to go, which hopefully can be next year. Also from Boohoo, I picked up a pair of sandals. If you watched my last haul, which was a PLT haul, you know that I picked up a pair of sandals from them. They were like a little bit more on the expensive side, especially just for sandals, but these ones from Boohoo were cheaper. They're just like a tan bottom, rubber sole, a white strap there, and then just like a little white strap here. Really simple, but I really like simple sandals, so they're perfect for me. The other thing that I got from Boohoo, which this is like my favourite piece and I've waited for this haul to like wear it, was the denim jacket. They did the denim jacket with little Mickeys everywhere and I wasn't really vibing with that. I wasn't feeling it a lot. I loved this one. It's very 90s, and if you know me or you know my channel or like my Instagram, you know 90s is my jam. I love the 90s. So it's like a stonewash denim. One of the sides of the arms has got two white stripes, and then the back just has Mickey. Like I said, I know my Disney trip is cancelled, but I fell in love with this. And then I think with the collar up, I don't like this Boohoo man thing, but I like that it's a red tag, so I'm not too fussed. And I just fell in love. There's no pockets, which is a tiny bit annoying. Well, there's like the top pockets, but no like side pockets. I love a denim jacket as well. I have many of a denim jacket, all different styles, crop, fancy, jackety, lightweight, 90s. I love a denim jacket. That's also one of the things I want to get from my misguided haul, is a denim jacket that I've seen. I was actually going to make the haul order last night, but it was out of stock, so maybe someone out there is trying to tell me don't buy stuff, Sophie. But yeah, no, I really love this. I think it's just super cool, and I got a medium in this. The socks, like I said, were one size. The sandals I got a size 7, and then the Fashion Nova jeans I got a 16 plus, but I think I could have done with a 14. But I was asking Fashion Nova and I was just like, is a 16 plus bigger than a 15 standard? Like, I'm really confused. They weren't really, you know, telling me or helping me out a bit too much there, so I just guessed and I got a 16 plus, but like I said, I definitely could have sized down. But yeah, so I just wanted to make sure that we knew the sizes, because a lot of people ask me my sizes And that is that. I then got these from, I got them from Asos, but they are Nula. I got these quite a while ago in order to wear them for wear, because I just wear basic black jeans for work, but these are coated ones. They are the Jenna Lift and Shape, and I got a 16 regular, but they are from the tall section, aren't they? Yeah, they're from the tall section. So a 16 regular in the tall is obviously a little bit longer than a 16 regular normal, but they're just black coated jeans. I always have a pair of these in my collection. I've got 2 pairs at the moment, but they were getting like a bit worse for wear, so I just picked up a new pair. And like I said, I got them in hopes to go back to work soon, and I've still got 2 months off. So next pair of denim that I actually got a few pairs of jeans, didn't I? Oh my god, in love, obsessed, so happy about these. They're from Tesco's, F&F. I always say Tesco's, but I think F&F are their own independent brand, but I'm not sure. They're a pair of mom jeans. Now, as you guys can see, as you've seen in the clips, I'm a chunky monkey, a little bit of a bigger girl. Never have I ever found mom jeans to fit beautifully. They never fit over my calves, then they never fit over my thighs, and then they're too big on the waist. These are perfect, and they were 50% off. I got a size 16, and I'm obsessed. Blue, this is like a medium to dark blue. Fray on the knee, fray on the other knee, but they're at slightly different angles on the knee. You'll see it on the try-on clip more. It came with a belt, which it's actually quite a cute belt. Like, the buckle's quite nice. And I fell in love. I fell in love with these. They fit gorgeously, and honest to god, I'm not even, you know, winding yours up or anything. They're probably my favorite pair of denim I own. Such good material, and I'm so happy. It is currently 50% off. I don't know when the 50% off ends. I think it's around the 26th of this month. But they are stunning, stunning. If there's a Tesco's local to you and you do your food shop there, maybe just have a little peek. I know we're in lockdown. I went to do my food shop there, and I stumbled in there and found them. I'm not going to say purposely go there, but I was obsessed. Now, you can't get F&F online, so I can't link them. You can get them from Next, but it's not 50% off, and they don't have this particular jean on there, because I was going to buy another pair, I'm not going to lie. Gorgeous. Honest to God, if you're a chunkier girl or guy and you want some mom jeans that are going to fit you, I promise you, Tesco's. And then the final thing that I got, I had to hang it up straight because it's so pretty, is from PLT, and it was a 2-piece, and I had to get them separately because both of them were never in stock in my size. And it is this. I think you've probably seen it all over Instagram. I was so excited to wear it this summer. I'm still hoping that I might be able to do like a last minute holiday toward the end of the year to somewhere in Europe and just be a little princess somewhere. But I mean, if you look at that, obviously, like, it's me. I got the skirt in a 16, and then I'm pretty sure I got the top in a 16 as well. Yeah, and it is like an orange, white, a little bit of blue in there, a little bit of like a darker grey, black in there almost. 2-piece, and it is stunning. Like I said, I'm sure you've seen it on Instagram because a lot of people have been like got this, which is why I could never get it in my size. And I'm pretty sure, I think maybe someone like In The Style or Shein has done this as a dress, as a 1-piece. I will try and find out which, because there's a girl that I follow who hauled it, and I will just copy and paste her link, and I'll copy and paste her haul as well if you want to watch it. But yeah, it's stunning. So at the back, it's like a corset detail on the top, the back is a zip, and then it's got like a little cup detail, which I'm glad is not wired, because it means that my boobs can just get squashed down because they won't fit in that anyway. And then the skirt is just like ruched to the side. I think this is a stunning piece, and where I want to go in Europe, this would look incredible. So that is it for my haul. Like I said, I know it was a little short but sweet one. I just wanted to show you guys what I had been getting lately, and please just tell me not to buy the misguided haul, but also tell me to, because I really want to. I love new clothes. New clothes just make me so happy. But I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, then please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. And until next time, I will see you guys very, very soon. Bye.